All right, we're here. This is a Posy patch. Mom, what town are we outside of? Greenwood. North of Greenwood, Posy patch. So outside of it here, we're gonna go inside. We're gonna get some different perennial plants and some potted plants probably, but excited because it's my first time here, so I always love seeing new places. And I know they support a lot of local artists as well. There's a lot of handcrafted items here. Not very many, or hopefully not too many, that are all shipped in, you know, so.
Okay. Yeah, you too.
Wow. All right, so arts and crafts, food. You got some jams, jellies, syrups, stuff like that. Seasonal as well. And we haven't even gotten out of the greenhouse yet. Do you want to go to the greenhouse? Let's go. Check this out.
How long can I
Ta-da!
keep it here? Until Mother's Day weekend. Do you know the dates of that?
Oh my goodness. I mean, I feel like we're in a conservatory, practically. They did such a good job. We've got all these cool little cozy areas and little farm stand setups and displays as well. Just, it's perfect. It's really good, really good. They do a really good job here. I've been in a lot of greenhouses myself too, seen a lot of arrangements, and they're just put together so well. I'm really highly impressed. The flower pots, if you're looking for some to get you guys stocked up for the year, this is a really good place to be. All right, we're all loaded up here. Mom's got everything that she needed for her hanging baskets and some concrete planters out front. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, this is Posy Patch outside of Greenwood, Wisconsin. And it's amazing. You've got to stop by. The way they put their arrangements together was really top notch. I was really impressed with the colors and everything. It's just amazing. So these are the ones Mom got here. These are the big planters, and then some begonias put in too.
And they will be 3 times that much.
Yeah, they grow like crazy. They get huge, they'll grow all the way to the ground. Oh, and also a free cup they were giving away for their 25th anniversary, which is cool.